Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this short video, we're going to review the Daytek mini folding frame clothesline. Now this clothesline suits between 1 to 2 people. It has 5 lines and gives you 7.5 metres of hanging space. Each line is actually 75 millimetres apart. The clothesline is 1.54 metres wide by 700 millimetres deep. That's from the wall to you. It's made of a quality steel frame construction. It has metal wall brackets and powder coated. It also comes with UV resistant corners. It does come in several colour options and it is not able to be ground mounted because of its width. It is only suitable for wall mounting. It's a very simple line tensioning system and it's quite easy to assemble. It does come with a 15-year manufacturer warranty and is quite easy to fold when not in use. I'm just going to show you how to do that now. You simply lift it up above the horizontal and then lower it down like that. And to lift it up, it's the same thing. You just lift it up until it clicks in position. So that's the Daytek mini folding frame clothesline. So for this and any other clothesline solutions, please visit us at theclotheslinestore.com.au. My name's Jason and bye for now.